Good evening, Judy Allen here, and I'm doing another Johnny on the Spot here for you about kits because I'm trying to do one every evening if I can for you, preferably earlier than later. But anyway, tonight is Robot Buddies Kids Card Kit. And I have sat there and did this once on a Wednesday, and I actually made some of the cards. But I want to go ahead and show you in case you missed that. Keep it simple or step it up. I'm going to go ahead and show you right now what's in the kit because these go tomorrow on sale with the BOGO sale where you buy one and get one half price. And it's while supplies last. And this is really cute and adorable. Let me show you. Alright, so it comes in the brown box, right? Well, here's what's in the kit. This is what you can make. And the envelopes are that stinking cute too. And here is the stamp set that comes with the kit. So you can move that robot around any way, create as many as you want. And then here's some of the cards I created. Some I followed, and others the directions, and others I didn't. Others I sat there and just created my own. But I love those little eyes. Look at those little googly eyes. I call them googly eyes. I don't know what you call them, but they're moving eyes. So each of these cards, see, I just made them. There's 2 colors that came with the kit, and this is one I just created on my own. There's 9 cards, and you see I even put stickers on my envelopes. I didn't stamp them. There's a lot of stickers in here. And I'm going to show you, because I still have plenty left. I have googly eyes left. I have 2 ink spots, pumpkin pie, and Bermuda Bay. And look at these eyes. Look at my eyes. And I got color choices, but they move. They move. Kids will love them because they move. Yes, because I've already sent some out. But see, look at the stickers I still have left. So I think I got 2 sheets of stickers in here. Let me double check here, because if you ever know what's in the kit, here it is. There was 2 sheets. 2 sheets of stickers. And these are the tags so you can stamp and put your message on and all too. So that just goes to show you. I'm not quite as bad as the grandkids, but at least I used 1 sheet and went on to the 2nd sheet. So there you go. And then I have these left over still too that I want to go make more cards I can. Just because there's 9 cards in the kit and you use them all, you still have your stamp set that you can go create some more cards. Alright? You're not limited by the box, because once you're through with the box, you still have your stamp set, you still have your ink spots, and you have some stuff left over so you can make more. Alright? So there you go. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you think about this kit, because this is cute and it is fun. And I already used some of my cards, so I don't have 9 cards right now, but I still have some. So there you go. So with that, remember, it's all about creating, sharing, and giving. And I've already given away a couple of my cards. So you just have to create your own cards and send them out too, and share what you've done to sit there and create and give to others. All right? So be blessed. This goes on sale, like I said, tomorrow with a BOGO sale. Buy one, get one 50% off. So that means you have to buy at least 2 of any mixture of kits that you want, right? It's just the Stampin' Up! Kits. And there you go. You get the second one or the higher priced one 50% off. So be blessed and go create something. See you later.